Hey everybody, welcome back to the Country Hobbyist, and today we're here at Summit Farms and we are getting ready to start harvesting corn. Okay, so before we get going, there's several things that need to be done. We've been working on stuff at night. I haven't been recording any of it because it's just been, well, frustrating and somewhat boring. We've been working on this auger because we've had a bit of a problem. Well, that's really all we've been doing this entire week. But the sun's finally out, it stopped raining, and we need to get this corn in this bin. But to do that, we have to get the lid off the top of the bin, we have to get this auger set, and we have to get some things around here shoveled around. We got to move this camper, it's in the way. We got to get that big truck back there up and running, and we've only got 2.5 hours to get that done before we're ready to start running corn for today. I'm sure I've told you multiple times how much I hate climbing up this bin. It's actually not that far. It's not even that tall. But boy, I sure do hate it. Not as much as I hate climbing that one. I wish we had some of those spiral staircases so I could just walk up the steps. That would be the way to go. The other thing I probably haven't mentioned is that since I fell off that wagon last year and broke my ribs, I've been super leery on climbing things here at the farm. Probably a bit gun shy, you'd say. I just remember how much that hurt. Like really super bad. Okay, that problem solved. Giant hole, bunch of corn. This lid is stupid, super stupid, because how big it is for only need to be over that little spout right there. We're gonna get this auger set up so we can get prepared to dump right into this grain bin. Let that warm up for a minute, and then what I'm going to do is back straight up. We're going to fill this with fuel so we don't have to do that later, and then we're going to put air on the tires of this auger as well, since we're going to be back over by this other barn. So we're just going to back up over here to the fuel tanks, top off that 185 Alice, and then we'll come kind of back this direction to be able to try to get right there. We're gonna go dump right here, dump right here. Okay, so my skill set is not setting this auger. Learn that. Not a natural at that. Maybe 12 times back and forth. Probably 12 times back and forth. But now we have it set here, so a couple other things I need to get done here real quick. I'm not gonna record because moving trailers around, not so fun. I'm gonna move a grain. I'm gonna move the header cart. I'm gonna move that camper. I'm gonna get the backhoe out of the way. And then I'm gonna get one of the grain trucks out here and try to get it unloaded. We'll see how that goes. So first time running this auger after working on it. Fingers crossed everything goes great today. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm gonna get some of this stuff shifted around here, and then once I get the grain truck back out here and start unloading, I'll show that. We're gonna finish letting the batteries charge up on the drone, and then we're gonna put that in the air when the combine gets here. So lots of things to do, but we're getting ready to start corn here. Okay, so there we go. We're ready to start putting corn up into this bin. So we're gonna get the tractor started, and then we'll get the auger going, and then we'll start lifting the truck up a little bit.